Amochags. And it promises to be two strongly suited sides, very well balanced. But particularly the focus would be on down the track and down the ground. A brutal blow from Gurbaz. Glorious, absolutely glorious from Gurbaz. He's off the mark.
Ramul.
Full toss, hammers through the offside. He has picked the gap and he's picked the boundary as well. Back-to-back boundaries for Gurbaz. He's off and running with bat in hand. Launches one down the ground over mid-on and will pick up a boundary. Just dropping it short and Khalid making it count.
Both the bowlers been welcome to the crease with a boundary.
Slip in position. Catch it firmly. Lovely stroke. Intentions clear. Khalid is just stroking it beautifully here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium.
Sweet timing and even better placement. Probably can be a reason why HB left-arm spinner has been bowled. That should be leg bias wide. It is leg bias.
Gurbaz not in control, but still will pick up a boundary. Looking to charge him down the ground, slicing it over the top.
When you swing hard. Certainly Gurbaz has...
Shot and pulled magnificently for six. Tremendous ball striking from Rahmanullah Gurbaz. He's taking down Fazal Haq Farooqi in style.
Flat and long. Bounce attempted. I thought the height was good, probably not the pace. Square leg was in place. It was a good bounce, it got to be said, because two fielders out for the pull at mid wicket and square leg. But sometimes in the player or the batter.
Down the ground, beautiful, gorgeous from Gurbaz. That is a supreme timely stroke from Gurbaz.
That was against the turn. And the length by Ashraf was way too full. He was guilty in the last over, pitching it short for a couple of boundaries. This with the angle.
Through the onside. Humongous, mountainous hit from Gurbaz. Back-to-back sixes. He's firing on all cylinders here, Gurbaz.
If you think, or if you thought the first one was better, this is even more better. No mid-wicket in place and into the side net it goes. Sharafuddin Ashraf, one of the best bowlers in the entire league, has been taken down with good effect.
Khalid goes down the ground. Long off is interested and he has taken the catch. Wicket for Sharafuddin Ashraf and Khalid the batter back in the pavilion.
Trying to match what Gurbaz was doing, beg your pardon. And Khalid was trying to go over long on, similar to what Gurbaz played the first ball of the over. The difference was the length was slightly shorter in this particular delivery. And it gripped a bit. And that was enough for Qais Ahmed to take a safe catch at long off.
Oh, Dasal H. Out of the boundary. Tsaka bandit sa lower mandi. Wafiullah tarakhel.
Off stump bande to outside edge ulgade.
Dasal, oh, excellent catch. Pasula puri. Derala. Amda kasi kichuna mechuna gati. Nur Rahman the tiri urazi atallo bgadai. Kam class catch nisi. Wakanam chida ka lob gadai ne awazi patopana ki. Patagar satana ki la jawaba. Ba kamala.
Audase kechuna mechuna gati. Outstanding. Der jaleba der hayajani. Nur Rahman pitching lakshata guqtal onside talarchi. Au der pasda pure hasa. Da sera neve sera da uda baid le yada on basu. Oh dive sara.
Oh, Afsara udalta behtarina katta to the point boundary paluri bandi. Hatsa. Au nabare ale keji to the boundary tsaka da bandi. Salor mandi. Izzatullah sapa ishara urki.
Deep backward point.
Pinzid de strike rate bandi to pana tar sara kai. Shot out top guru chida boundary paluri bandi. Out salur mandi.
رحمان الله ګربز د درېدو نوم نه اخلي او درېدل بیخي پیژني نه په دم سیالۍ کې.
شاټ اپ توپ د میډ وکټ باونډري څخه د باندې څلور منډي. رحمان الله ګربز دا مهال د وفي الله او خالد تنیوال تشپ ډان د وکټ راځي او دلته ګورو چې توپ د لانګ آن باونډري څخه د لوبڅار اشاره شپږیزه په زړه پورې شاټونه کابل کرکټ لوبغالي کې د رحمان الله ګربز له بیټ څخه
او دلته بادشاهي روانه ده د رحمان الله ګربز. وایډ لانګ آن او د ډیپ مډ وکټ ایریا په طرف باندې مډل اف د بیټ څه کنټرول د رحمان الله ګربز. دلته عظمت الله عمرزی کوشش کوي چې ویریشن نه ګټه واخلي خو دلته ګربز هیڅ رحم نه کوي، بې رحمه توپ وهنه.
عظمت الله عمرزی د ګربز په اوهو بیټ شو دلته لوبڅار اشاره کوي چې اوټ بهترینه په زړه پورې توپ اچونه. عظمت الله عمرزی د ګربز وکټ ترلاسه کوي، د لوبې بڼه بدلوي. ګربز بې رحمه او برید کوونکي توپانه تر دا مهاله په کابل کرکټ لوبغالي کې خو د هغې پاڼۍ ته د پای ټکی ږدي. ګربز خوشحاله نه برېښي خو لوبڅار ګوته د اسمان په لور اوچته کړه او د دوی پاڼۍ ته یې د پای ټکی کېښود.
معمولی سنیک او د محمد اسحاق رحیمي په ګلوزو کې بال. عظمت الله عمرزی دا ځل سیم سره ویریشن سره او دا ځل بریالی کیږي.
دا ځل ګورو چې اسحاق رحیمي کیچ ترلاسه کوي. دا افسر ځاځي عبدالله احمدزی آن فایر بهترینه توپ اچونه دویمه وکټ ترلاسه کوي.
لیډنګ ایچ او وکټ کیپر ډیره ښه وظیفه ترسره کړه. دا ځل خپل افسر غوښتل چې کټ ووایي ور د فیلډر، اما دغه ځینه کټ په باډي کې دا لږ څه ستونزمن وي. اسانه که چېرته بهر وی شاید افسر بریالی وي، دا چې په باډي باندې و او د کټ هڅه وکړله، ایج ولګېده د بیټ پورتنۍ حصه او د سره
had to be in a better position. Oh, this should be taken. This should be an opportunity. And safe pair of hands underneath. Imran's not missing that for sure. Messianic Knights lose half their side.
Very immature cricket. I don't think this was needed at this stage of the game. They needed to build partnership, and exactly what Nasir Jamal has been telling his partners. To begin with, Afsar Zazai and now Sohail Zurmatai. Comes down the track, and the experience of Azmatullah Omarzai doesn't give the ball underneath his bat. He can only send it off in the air into the safe hands of the fielder.
Very deliberately played, with no third man guarding. Well done.
Welcome boundaries. It has come in some time.
And that's what happens when the googly is misread. Nasir has played all around it, but no willow to leather. Only timber.
Well, searching for partnership not to be this time around. The previous delivery just missed it. Getting the wicket of Nasir Jamal not to be this time. Goes through the gate, and that is a very big blow. Disturbs the furniture and disturbs Messianic Knight big time.
And this time it's taken. It's taken. Nabi with the leading edge for the second time in the over. This one lands in the hands of Abdullah, who's done nothing wrong today. The man with the golden arm.
Abdullah Ahmadzai is absolutely bowling tremendously out here on a big day. There was a leading edge early on that fell short of the fielder. This time around, leading edge right into his hands, and Abdullah holds on to that one hand. What a catch! It sticks in his hand, and he says, "Thank you very much." That big wicket of Muhammad Nabi, and Messianic Knights in all sorts of trouble.
وخته برلاسه دی چې باونډري ورنکړي، خو دا ځل مجیب بال هوا ته پورته کړی، فیلډر شتون لري او بال له باونډرۍ څخه بهر د شپږو منډو لپاره هڅه وکړه د کیچ نیولو.
بالکل بال او فیلډر دواړه د باونډرۍ سره ټچ شو او په همدې اساس باندې عمران میر هڅه وکړله چې توپ راونیسي، توپ راوګرځوي، خو دغه حالت کې ګورو چې د توپ سره د د بونډري یا هم د پولي له پاسه د پښه راغلی او په همدې اساس باندې او دا هم بولډ آؤٹ عظمت الله عمر زیده چې مجیب کلین بولډ کوي او د نوموړي لیګ سټم وکټ لګیږي او دغه د 21 منډو ملګرتیا ته د پای ټکی ږدي.
بالکل څومره په زړه پورې بال په لین کې دغه بال تر سره کړ او مخامخ کلین بولډ آؤٹ کړ مجیب او د نوموړي لوبه همدلته پای ته ورسېده د دغه دواړو ترمنځ. فضل حق او بولډ آؤٹ دغلته مهمه وکټ فرمان بولډ آؤٹ کړ او د فاروقي له لورې د نوموړي لوبه همدلته پای ته ورسېده. څومره په ښه ځای کې دغه بال ترسره کړ، څومره ښه راتګ دی او وتوانېده چې وکټ ترلاسه کړي. تر دې وخته په وکټ اخیستون نه و بریالی شوی او په یوه په زړه پورې بالینګ سره وکولی شول دغه مهمه وکټ په مهم وخت کې ترلاسه کړي. او وګورو واو څومره عالي، څومره ښکلی بال او بولډ آؤٹ کړ. د سوینګ که وګورو ان سوینګ بال څومره دننه راغی.
He's smashed this in the air, safely taken by Sharafuddin Ashraf, one of the safest fielders. And with that, Messiah Ainak Knights get bowled out for 121 inside 17 overs.
Who would have thought after the rollicking start the Messiah Knights took, just losing their first wicket at 50 runs, they'd be dismissed at 121. Confirmation of the last wicket, Umar Zai was excellent right throughout. 4 for 21 is 3.2. Sharafuddin Ashraf was quite expensive in his first couple of overs, picked up a wicket. The captain bowls, vice captain takes the catch to dismiss the Messiah Knights for a paltry 121 and 16.2 overs.
That they were able to defend this time around. They only really done their work. And when you look at the Messiah Ainak Knights batting, and despite
Fouki and Ashraf was taken to the cleaners in the first 4 overs. But